friends. Wow, that was a lot. Let's try again. Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel. Today we have a very exciting video. I have been waiting for this for months now. I'm so excited that it's actually happening. So today we are going to be building our raised garden box for our our raised planter box for our garden, for our patio. Steve is building us a beautiful 8-foot long planter box. The goal is that it will be filled with plants, overflowing with plants. That is the goal for this summer. I am so hopeful. So if nothing comes of this, if none of my plants grow, I'm going to be devastated. So hopefully something grows. Before we begin our seed starters, we are going to go see Steve build the garden bed. He actually built it yesterday and it was very gloomy and rainy, so if it's very different from today's sunny, beautiful weather, that is why. First, what we need to do is clean our eggshells. I've been collecting them from the eggs that we've had, and they just need a little bath before we can use them for our little seeds. So I'm going to take my eggshells and put them in this nice hot soapy water for a little while, rinse them off, and then they'll be good to go. eggshells are ready. It's time to fill them with soil and seeds and water them. And since Steve has finished our beautiful new planter box, I'm gonna go sit outside in the sun and do it there because it's very messy, you know, with soil and dirt, and these are very small. And we could admire our new planter box while starting our seedlings. The only thing is that I don't have any gardening gloves yet. I looked and looked. I went to 3 stores yesterday and nobody had any. I do have to do this with my bare hands, but do wear gardening gloves. It can be very dangerous to not wear gardening gloves when you get it under your nails and things. Our seed starters are complete. They're so cute. I don't know why. I just think eggshell starters are the cutest way to grow your plants. But they are ready. They're in our window, sunbathing. They're growing next to the queen. She's waving. Say hi. And hopefully these little guys will grow big and strong and be ready to transplant soon. Like I said, I didn't start everything in the eggshell. Some things will sow directly into it, but I did start our cherry tomatoes, snap peas, lettuce, arugula, and marigold. I don't know why, I just felt like some of those would really benefit from the starters, and the marigold I really wanted to get a kickstart on growing some. I heard that they are great at keeping pests away, so when you kind of border your vegetables with marigold, they tend to help protect them. But I hope that you enjoyed this video and that you found some inspiration to do your own little seed starters. This is a great way to start your seeds in a small way, plus it looks really cute, so win-win. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you loved Steve's build and seeing the little starters begin. Let me know in the comments if you are growing your own garden, if you have any raised bed garden tips for me, because we are newcomers to this. This is our first time. I have done shell starters before, but I've never done like a full garden. So I know it's very common to fail on your first year of gardening, so I'm praying that I am not in that group and that we are very successful. Give me all your tips in the comments. Help us out so we can be successful with this garden, because it is all I wanted for so long. But we'll be back soon with another video to begin the actual garden, to fill the bed, plant more seeds. Maybe I'll have some little sprouts for you to see. We'll see. I don't know how long it'll take for them to start sprouting, so fingers crossed, you guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you very soon. Goodbye!